Do you want to know how to earn $50 per hour as an autopilot? You simply need to click a few buttons, copy a few of your own, and money will be flowing into your account regularly before you realize it. In today's lesson, you will learn how to earn $50 per hour completely on autopilot. Once again, there is no need to sell anything, show your face, or have any skill. You can do this for free and without spending any money, so don't do it if you don't have any money in your account right now. What I like about this new technique is that they will pay you daily, so you won't have to wait long for your money. I strongly advise you to continue watching this video because I will be showing you a step-by-step process on how to sign up for free so that you can begin earning money. And as always, we will give you some free and exclusive bonus steps that you can only see in this video, so that you can earn double or even triple than others who don't watch my videos. Many people are unaware of this brand new strategy, so you are very lucky to be watching this video right now. This is a very fantastic opportunity for you to get on and earn some money, and you can do it again and again using your smartphone or computer. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I will teach you how to generate money rapidly by using the greatest and most successful platforms. If you are interested, stay connected and watch the video till the conclusion. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you will be notified anytime I submit a new video. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so let us go to the website where you can earn $50 per hour, and this is the website that I will show you in a minute. Now here's a warning. If you go directly to the website without watching this video, there is a good chance you will get lost because this website is a little bit complicated. And if you get lost, you won't be able to earn anything. And I don't want that to happen to you. So keep on watching and really focus on what I'm about to show you. So what exactly is this platform? In short, it is an online sales platform that includes an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all standard payment methods, and accounting automation. You will get access to a variety of deals in their marketplace which you may promote and share with others. When people buy your offer, you will get money and you will be able to sell other things again and again, which is why the earning potential on this fresh new approach is limitless. You may be asking if you need to spend anything to start marketing deals. Signing up for this website is now 100% free with no hidden fees or nonsense, and you can choose to be paid weekly or monthly. Now look at this. You can see their sign up page here. I will show you later on how to properly sign up on this website. Again, if you skip any part of this, you might get lost in the process and you won't be able to earn anything. Now don't worry, I will guide you through the entire sign up process and even show you a live demonstration because I really want you to earn a lot of money from this brand new method. Okay, as you can see here, these are all of the available offers that they have in this website. As you scroll down, you can literally see that they have a lot of offers that you can promote. For example, this product right here on the right side, you will be able to see how much money you can possibly earn from it. And just below that, you can read more about the product. I will just leave it up to you to read about it. If you keep scrolling, you will notice that there are a lot more offers that you can promote, some of which pay more and some of which pay less, so you really need to choose carefully which offer you want to promote. In a few moments, I will also show you how to start promoting these offers and where to promote them to earn that $50 per hour on complete autopilot. So keep watching this video and don't skip anything. So right here, what you need to do is click on this drop-down menu because by default, the entire list of offers is being started by sales rank, which is not what we want. After all, what we want to see are the earnings, so to do that, just click on this one right here and choose sort by earnings or sales. By doing so, the list of offers that you see below will change and it will now be sorted by earnings, which means that the highest paying offers will be shown on the list. Of course, please like and share this video with your friends if you appreciate it. Please subscribe using the red button and leave a comment below. I would really love it if you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. So now, let's return to the video. Okay, as you can see here, this offer will pay you more than $700 only for advertising it to others. So if you go to a calculator and calculate 700 multiplied by how many people purchase via your offer, say 3 people, that is almost $2,100. Now I think if more people bought the deal, you could really make a lot of money from this brand new approach. Therefore, the first thing you will need to do is sign up so you can have an account on Digistore24. Yes, that would be our hidden tool for today's method. This website's address is Digistore24.com. To go there, simply put Digistore24 into your Google search box and then click this link right here. To get to their page on the home page of this website, simply click on this blue button right here that says Start Now. Signing up is free. Simply click on that one and you will be taken to this page where you can see that it is actually free to sign up, and then you can profit from Digistore24. On the sign up page, you have to click on affiliate right here. That is what you will be doing, and you will be doing a full-time job and promoting offers. The next step is to fill out all of these boxes with the necessary information. You must provide a username for this section that says our affiliate link. They will automatically choose one for you once you promote a username, and you will use that personal affiliate link later on when you begin to promote offers. You must also provide your email address, password, time zone, and some basic information about yourself. What I like about this is that they welcome people from all over the world, so no matter where you are right now, you can start marketing deals and earn $50 per hour on Total Autopilot. Okay, so why don't you comment down below where you're from, and I will make more videos for your region in the future. Once you're finished with your basic information, you need to check this box and then click on this blue button right here that says register for free. Now after doing that, you will have your very own account on Digistore24 and you can now start promoting offers and earning money. So when you click on promote now right here, Digistore24 will give you an affiliate link that you can then share with other people. And when people click on that link, they will be redirected to the sales page of whatever product you promote, just like this one right here. And if they purchase this product, you will be able to earn some commission. And if you do it again and again, you will be able to earn a large amount of money. As I said at the start of this video, I will now give you an exclusive additional tip to earn double or even triple what others are earning. Okay, so you should go to this website called Reddit.com. Now, for those of you who don't know, Reddit is a network to communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies, and passions. This is where it will be promoting your link, as a lot of people actually come over to Reddit and post different stuff. So what you need to do now on Reddit is go to the search box right here, type in how to make money online, and hit search. As you can see above, you will now be able to see all of the posts that are linked to this question. Many people have posted this query and are seeking answers. This is a fantastic chance for you to share your Digistore24 affiliate link and make large commissions. But you can't just give yourself a link and go without saying anything. You should provide them some pointers on how they might profit from your affiliate link. Here is the second special extra tip I would like to share with you. I actually created a template for you that you can copy and paste and use on Reddit. Later on, I will send you a copy of this done for your template. So, as you can see, this tablet is like a list, and just underneath the list is an affiliate link from the Digistore24. You can just replace these links with your own, and then you can start copying and pasting this template on a Reddit post. For example, I will highlight everything on here and then click copy. Then I will go back to Reddit and search for a post and just paste my template, which you can do as many times as you want to depend on how many offers you want to promote. After that, you may sit back and wait for your commissions to filter in, enjoying your money. Okay, that ends today's tutorial. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.